Kumho Tire, a global tire company that produces one of the world's best tires. Kumho Tire operates a total of 8 tire manufacturing plants at home and abroad, with 8 overseas subsidiaries and 14 overseas branch offices. Kumho Tire exports its tires to 180 countries around the world. Kumho Tire attributes its growth entirely to its diverse customer base throughout the world, and takes aim at another giant leap forward as a global brand cherished by everyone around the world for its cutting-edge technology and outstanding performance. Kumho Tire continuously makes every effort to develop the perfect tire. Its worldwide R&D network produces exceptionally high-quality tires to the satisfaction of its global customers. Kumho Tire, a global tire company, will continue to grow to every corner of the world. Kumho Tire.